Today in this video, I will explain what this message means and why this error is showing on your phone when you try to open Marketplace. Many users suddenly see this screen and feel confused because earlier everything was working normally. If you are also facing this issue, then watch this video carefully to understand the real reason behind it. Disclaimer: this video is created for educational and informational purposes only. Solutions shared here are based on common technical scenarios and may vary depending on device model, app version, or server condition. For official assistance, please contact the respective app support team. This is related to age confirmation. The platform is asking you to verify that you are legally allowed to access Marketplace based on the laws of your country. Many users think this is an error or technical bug, but in most cases it is actually a security or policy related restriction. When this appears, users may not be able to browse listings, post items, or access buying and selling features. Possible reasons. The first possible reason is account age settings. If your profile date of birth is missing, incorrect, or recently changed, the system may temporarily restrict access until verification is completed. The second reason can be regional policy enforcement. Countries have strict digital marketplace rules, and the app automatically asks for age confirmation to comply with legal requirements. If the system detects unusual login patterns, frequent device switching, or rapid activity changes, it may trigger additional verification steps including age confirmation. Another reason can be app data inconsistency. Sometimes outdated app versions or corrupted background data can cause the system to incorrectly show verification prompts even when your account is already eligible. There is also a possibility of server-side synchronization delay. When platform updates roll out globally, certain features like Marketplace may temporarily require re-verification to align account status with new policies. What you should understand: this message does not always mean your account is blocked or permanently restricted. In many situations, it is just a verification checkpoint designed to ensure safety, compliance, and user authenticity. Reacting in panic or trying random unofficial fixes can sometimes make the situation worse. Mistakes users often make: many users immediately reinstall the app or log out multiple times thinking it will fix the issue instantly. Some even try to change account information repeatedly, which can increase verification triggers instead of resolving them. Others assume it is a permanent ban without checking official guidelines. So the next time you see this age confirmation message, do not panic. Understand that it is mainly a policy or verification related prompt, not necessarily a technical failure. Stay calm, follow proper verification steps, and always rely on official support channels if the issue continues. Understanding the real cause is the first step to avoiding unnecessary confusion and protecting your account access.